Hi everyone, I'm Jimmy Ertzman with Gear Wrench and Crescent Tools, and we're going to take you through some of our new products today at the C&L Tool Show. Yep, so I'm going to show you all our bolt biter product with this demonstration block right here. And you can see that the fasteners are extremely rounded. Here's a regular socket and there's just no grip whatsoever. Now what I'll do is we have two different 10mm sizes. I have a 10mm as well as a 10mm minus for when it's really, really stripped. So the one on the left here is just, we'll take a regular 10mm. Now put that on and you can see that I'm gripping and turning. Now the great thing about this that's unique to our product is not only does it work to take it off, it also works bidirectionally, so you could also install with this if the fastener is stripped. The way it's designed with the minus sizes is you could get something that's almost completely round. As long as it'll sit down on there and grab, you'll be able to use it just like a traditional socket.
And it looks like you have a complete set. So it's not just that 10mm that's ubiquitous. You've got those are available in what sizes?
So we have everything from these here that go into an impact driver to the sockets here that can be used with a wrench on the hexagon end, ratchet, or also an impact tool. We even go up to larger sizes as well, so think of wheel lugs or larger fastener sizes that you see here in these deep ones as well.
Nice.
And we're continuing to add to it. It's been one of our most popular new launches. We will be coming out later this year with ratchet wrench inserts as well to get you the best access possible.
So when you're moving this, it's not actually taking anything out of there, but you're showing that you can, or is it moving it?
It'll spin it, but it's designed so that it can kind of spin just for the demonstration.
Okay.
But it's in there pretty tight, but it'll work both ways. So it is actually spinning it. You could see in there that it is moving the...
Wait just a minute. Okay, do it again.
You can see it moving the fastener inside there.
Okay.
Cool. So what's this tool?
So this is due to the success of our extraction launch, we've also expanded it. So what you see here is this is a screw extractor set. The nice thing with this one is it kind of keeps everything all together for you. So not only do you have the actual extractors, you also have the drill bits, and everything is coded to work together. So great little set there. As you see, I mean, a high quality screw extractor with a taper to be able to bite down in to get it out.
There you go.
So this here is our large tap and die sets, our 114 piece set. As you see, it has metric and standard as well as some pipe thread. What you have here is you'll have the dies as well as the taps, but really the star of the show is our ratcheting tap handle. So with this here, you have a large and a medium size, and what you'll see for the die is you'll insert this in and the die would sit right into here. Now what makes this so special is it's a reversing, ratcheting style tap handle. The great thing about that is you're not always able to completely turn your tap handle around depending on the access and where you're working. With this, you could use it just as you would a ratcheting wrench. So very versatile functionality there. And then of course, like I said, you also, if you were gonna do the tap would fit into one of these adapters as well. And even, we also have a 3/8 ratchet adapter too, to have a 3/8 drive tang as well.
Oh, sweet.
So quick release 3/8 drive tang too. So all of that functionality. With this set, you also, not only do you get the taps and dies and the holders, you also get some thread pitch gauges as well as some fluted extractors.
Is there a warranty on this set?
So there's a warranty on the actual wrenches themselves, and these materials, the dies are considered a consumable good.
Right.
Just as typical high strength steel tap or die. The real magic comes in with the handle.
Excellent. Well, thank you for your time.
Of course. Would you like anything
also
on
rep
the
Crescent?
Yes. So Crescent and Gear Wrench, all owned by Apex Tool Group. With Crescent, we have Crescent Lufkin, Crescent Whisk, Crescent HK Porter, as well as Crescent Job Box. So a wide variety of brands. Hi, so Jimmy again. I also, in addition to Gear Wrench, we also manufacture a wide variety of Crescent tools. So you'll see everything from our brand new power tool accessory segment that we launched here in the last couple years. So everything from circular saw blades to your speed striker and nail ripper, as well as fastening sets. So a nice wide range of products here to meet all of your industrial, automotive, and pro DIY needs. In addition to that, you'll see as you kind of pan over, we have our blades, and we also, the Wisp brand is also under Crescent. So Crescent Wisp, we have a wide range of scissors and shears, as well as snips and knives. Another new product that's been very popular for us has been our Shock Force tape measure. What I have here, this is our Generation 1 night eye tape. This one especially so has been popular due to the high visibility blade. The great thing with this blade is it's able to be used in low light and high light applications, so you don't have the glare of a bright yellow blade. And it also is a dual reed blade as well.
That's cool.
So before you put it back, turn it so I can see one side of the blade. And now turn it so I can see the, there you go. Thank you, thank you.
And we make these in a wide variety of sizes, as well as auto lock options like you see here. This one here has the, this is a dual scale blade. And we also, for those that are working in construction with maybe steel studs and the like, we also manufacture them with a magnet as well, like you see on this blade right here. The standout on these range all the way up to 16 feet of reach with our Generation 2 product that I have in my hand here. And that's all achieved due to the geometry and the width of our blade design.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it.
If you need more content, I'll be here, whatever you need.
Okay.
I'm Randy Velp with Velp Associates, manufacturers representatives. We represent a couple different lines. MK Morse being one of them, made in Canton, Ohio. Been in business since the 60s. One of the few blades still manufactured 100% in the United States. So we offer some Recip blades, different Recip blades. You take a look at what we have here. We get into carbide tipped Recip blades, we get into step drills as well, diamond grit hole saws also, and then a lot of people don't know, but for metal cutting we get into circular saw blades on cold saws. So we actually also sell the saws that go along with these to cut metal, so a lot safer. You don't have abrasive dust in the air, and after you're done with the cut, the pieces that you cut are actually cool to the touch because there's no friction. You're literally taking a chip of material. That chip holds the heat, not the material. So you can take it straight to welding or whatever have you. But we offer these in all the different sizes, all the different popular sizes of power tools, saws on the market. We make one for 14-inch, 9-inch, and 7-inch in the saw blade market. We also have new hole saws on the market. So this is our MHS series hole saw with slotted grooves here. Makes it easier to get the slug out after you make your cut. And our claim to fame back in the day was a product called the Real McCoy, which our inventor, original owner, came up with the idea that let's just sell a hole saw that has an arbor permanently attached to it, so you don't have to worry about switching arbors out all the time. We've since done away with the Real McCoy, but we still do sell the concept, which is the arbor is attached to the hole saw right in the package. So quick and simple. We sell these all in kits as well, plumbers kits, electricians kits, all that type of product. So that's the latest and greatest from MK Morse. So this is another line we represent. This is called Metabo Power Tools and Abrasives. Obviously we get into power tools both corded and cordless. We sell cordless kits with some of the best batteries in the world, 8-amp hour batteries, which are high density lithium to drive tools that require a lot of torque, like an angle grinder, for example. High-speed drills, impact wrenches, recip saws, the multi-tool, which has become very popular. And then really the claim to fame for Metabo always has been, continues to be, is our angle grinders with a quick system to get your wheel off quickly. The quick nut release is super simple, and that's been around for quite a while, but the guys love that feature. We're all about safety, quality, performance with our angle grinders. They all come German manufactured. Metabos all come with mechanical slip clutch. So if a wheel binds up, the wheel won't explode and the grinder won't kick back on you. So it's a huge safety feature that we offer. Full line of power tools, but mostly well known for angle grinders and abrasives. Thank you.
It was probably just some tech.
Thank you.